In this video, we will be looking at a general overview of Volanté's reporting function. To get started, select the Reports function from your Backoffice home screen. A window titled Volanté Reports will pop up and your view will be split into two. On the left-hand side, you will see an area titled Report Tree. In this section, you will find two main types of report areas: your My Report area, which is customized, pre-filtered, and pre-built out for your site by Volanté's implementation team. And then you have your System Reports area, which lists hundreds of unfiltered stock-like reports for you to make use of. To expand into a report folder inside the report tree, simply press the circular icon located over here. This icon can also be used to collapse an expanded report folder by clicking on it again. Right now, I've expanded into the System Default folder. Inside it, we can see two additional report folders listed: Amina's Test Customized Report folder and 77777 Burger Shop Closed Day Report folder. Depending on your site, you may find report folders following a naming convention that is a 5 to 6 digit cost center ID followed by a location name, like with our Burger Shop Closed Day Report folder over here. Expanding our Burger Shop Closed Day Report folder reveals several different kinds of reports inside it. These reports are marked by a page icon. From how this report tree is set up, I can see that my Burger Shop Closed Day Report folder consists of several individual reports. When making a selection, we can choose to select at the report folder level or at the report level. Selecting at the report folder level means you are making a selection of a report folder and therefore all the reports inside it. Selecting at the report level means you are making a selection of a single report. Whichever you choose, your selection is indicated to you by a blue highlight. In the main tab on the right-hand side, we can see an area to set a time interval for when to run a report on. This time interval setting lets us set a start date and time, as well as an end date and time for our time interval. There are multiple ways to set a start or an end date. Let's look at them now. You can use these arrows to set the year, the month, and the day, or click onto a number to use the drop-downs to set it instead. You can also use this button marked with 3 dots to pick from a calendar view. Much like how we set dates, the start and end time can be set the same way by either using the arrows or by clicking into the number and using the dropdown. We also have quick buttons to use for setting the end date and the end time. As long as the start date and start time are configured, you can use the day, week, month, or today buttons to automatically set the end date and end time for your time interval. Below the time interval settings, we have an area for a report description and a display table of the report's current settings and applied list by filters. As I click on the different reports on the left, you can see the settings for these reports change on the right-hand side. The current settings for a report are indicated by a blue color in the report setting display table, or by a check mark in the list by filter area. To apply filters to a report, you will first need to be selected on a report, and you can then make use of filter settings found in the Profit Center Filters tab, the Time Filters tab, or the Menu Item Filters tab. Lastly, in the bottom left-hand corner of the Reports window, you will find settings on how to generate a report and exit from the Reports function. Thank you for watching.